Hey everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. A big thank you to all of you who've been following our journey. And if you're new here, welcome aboard. For over 16 years, we've been building Excel-based tools to help businesses work smarter and faster. With more than 7,500 clients worldwide and over 140 five-star reviews on Google, we're proud to say our solutions have been saving businesses countless hours of manual work. If you're searching for a reliable way to calculate driving distances in intersections, our Driving Distance Matrix Between Addresses Excel tool is the perfect solution. A distance matrix is basically a table that shows the distances between every pair of locations in a clear grid. With our Excel-based tool, all you need to do is enter your list of addresses or zip codes, and the tool will automatically calculate the driving distances between all locations. No complicated mapping software required, just the power of Excel. To get started, you'll need a Google Maps API key, which allows the tool to pull accurate driving distance data directly from Google Maps. If you're not sure how to get one, don't worry. We've included a step-by-step guide in the description to walk you through the process. Once you've got your API key ready, download the tool from the link in the description, open the Excel file, and enter your addresses or zip codes into the first row in the first column. Then, click the Calculate button. And within seconds, the tool will build your full driving distance matrix, showing you the exact distance between every location. The best part is how simple and user-friendly this tool is. There's no complicated setup, no extra software to install, and no waiting around for results. Whether you're planning delivery routes, defining territories, or just need to quickly reference distances, this tool is going to save you time, minimize errors, and help you make smart, data-driven decisions. You can download the Driving Distance Matrix Between Addresses Excel tool using the link in the description. If you have any questions or need a custom version to better fit your business, we're here to help. You can reach us by phone, email, or live chat on our website, where you'll be speaking directly with Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel Distance Calculators. No bots, just real expert support. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Excel automation tools, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy calculating.